guys, Richard Tech Ralph here. I've got an unboxing video for you. Now, these came yesterday, this has come this morning. Actually, that came yesterday, I've had to collect it from the post office. But we're doing an unboxing, so what I've got this week. First off, I managed to, with the Atari ST stuff, I've managed to resalvage one of the old PCs that I threw away. Luckily, it's in the skip at work, so I've got a new, well, a second-hand floppy drive. Because the floppy drive, the other one doesn't work, but I don't know if to put a Gotek in or not. But I've got an idea as well, because the joystick ports are so inaccessible, is to attempt to wire up a couple of these somewhere. So I've kept that off an old motherboard, just ripped it off. Don't need the motherboard. Got some new screws, hopefully these at right length, right type. Just found them lying around at work. Well, lying around's a bit of a odd word. Kind of was on the shelf. So let's start off with anybody who's been watching this will know that a couple of PlayStation 3 controllers I've got. One of them works perfectly, but the battery doesn't work. Or it doesn't. It does, but it doesn't. But I've had the first one. I'll put that one back in here because I wasn't too happy with the left controller pad doing what it was doing. So I've stripped this one back down again. So that's back in pieces. However, I bought a new controller. I've already de-welded that one, desoldered that one. I'm having trouble because I need some desolder braid. And watching what do you call the Man Cave's latest video on desoldering, I want one of those tools. So that would be absolutely amazing. But I have to do the old-fashioned way with the crummy desolder gun, which doesn't seem to want to work on half of this. So hence it's burning a little bit, but it's not too end of the world yet. So one part for there. I was also not happy about these. That one's fine, but a little bit worn underneath the thumbsticks. That one, it works fine. I've just glued it in. It's just it looks messy. On the top you can't really tell. So I've ordered two more. So it's going to look better once this is complete and done anyway. So in there it goes. Also, it all came in the week is the spare batteries, which also come with the USB mini cable, which is good because I could probably do one or two. I keep throwing cables away. Two batteries, so I can get on with both of the controllers. Once this is done and completed, then we can get on with that. Get on the second one and change the battery over, which shouldn't be as difficult as this one, because the other one, the second one, feels pretty much almost brand new. So they came this week. I've already, as you can see, already unboxed it. So let's start off with unboxing these. Now I don't know what these. I've got a list on what I've bought on eBay and stuff like that. So let's roll the sleeves up and let's get into it, shall we? I think I know what this. No, I don't. I actually don't. Could be a couple of things. Right, sorry I had to cut there. Yeah, the invoice popped out with my address on it. Don't think you want to be seeing where that is. So this is what's in here then. So ta-da! And this is desolder braid, quite thin as well. Could do with thicker, but it'll be fine. It'll do for me for a bit. There's a 3 meters there, so they're both in 1.5 meter reels, rolls, whatever's. So that's one done. And help out no end. Go for this one. This came yesterday, and how the hell do you open it? There's a gap there. Looks like I can cut down there with a knife. Maybe a pair of scissors. I'm relatively certain I know what this is. Just don't want another oopsie daisy, there's my address moment again. I mean, if you want to send me anything, please get in touch and I will send you my address. Just I don't want all of the world to know where I am. I won't say this is well packaged, it's just it'd last a good half an hour and pass the parcel. Oh, get it, come on. do like to open a package. Right, start off. We have a Tandy. Yeah. Oh, it's a multiple one. So that looks like it's a bit iffy because they are not standard screws. I don't think I'll be using that. Because what we have in here is another bubble wrap envelope, some bubble wrap, get on the floor. Can you tell what it is yet? Yes, it's yet another Grandstand 3000. Now, that's been screwed too far in with a screw. Oh no, it's not. It's just been screwed on because that button doesn't work. But the seller tells me that this works, although that just feels sticky. To say that it works, and they've got a battery leak as well, so a bit of clean up. If the board works, then I can cannibalise the other ones, the other two that I've got, and use the cases and the controllers, because that the switch does come out, but yeah, well, that one does work. So another Grandstand 300. So I'm reigniting the 3000. Let's get one of these working, shall we? So we'll try that one later. Let's have a look what's next. I have two more here, but I think I might pause this video in a bit because I've got a few things coming today, hopefully, and I won't do a part two. I'll just re-edit onto the end of this. Now, anybody who, all I can guess is this one is a Eaglemoss. Yeah, finally, this took another address in there. This has took a while to turn up. It's yet another Klingon bird of prey with the landing position with the wings up. So that's three of these we got. One with the wings up in the air, one with wings to the side, and one with the wings in the whatever. So I'll do a review over that one later. So that's fine. Now, this one apparently is too big. So the postman didn't deliver it yesterday. So, oh God. Let's try this side. No, it's that side. There's a lovely little tear mark on here, so you just grab hold of it and rip it open. That doesn't work. Right, sellotape. Sellotape. Sorry if you can't see anything, but neither can I. That's part of what I was supposed to do. I nearly dropped my cup of coffee over. Yeah, that's coffee on the side. I haven't been messing with anything. Oh, Saturday morning, a cup of coffee. Blimey. Well, another what invoice. Why the hell would you send a box that big for something that small? Right, so Discovery's Klingon Bird of Prey. So I'll do a review on that one as well. Magazines are small because they're inside them. So, okay, that's two Eaglemoss I can do. And Grandstand, desoldering, some PlayStation controllers, even though the controllers won't power the, it's not bricked, but the green light of death has become the norm for my PS3s. So that's a list of what's come now, and let's see what comes later, shall we? Small additional. Yeah, additional. I've just realised in the large Eaglemoss box, that there's this. Kind of must have just thought it was just packing, but there's something inside here. Oh goodness. There we go. Ooh. Oh, okay. There's two posters. One Klingon, one Federation for the ships coming up. Okay. Ooh, Enterprise. Hello. Different. But I'll do a I'll do a review on that, I think, with the maybe with or without the Klingon ship. Roll it up, put it in, pop it down. Nice little addition. What the other one? The other Eaglemoss, the Starships one. There were meant to be a free badge that came with it for subscribers, and I think they've forgot, but it's all over Wikipedia or whatever it is. So, right, so back to, we'll see what's coming later in the post. Right then, it's later. The postman's been. So, we have just another 2 packets for today. I thought there'd be more than this, to be honest. Just some people are a bit slow at sending out, so yeah, more to come. So let's have a look at this one. Is this anything? Is there a piece of paper in there? No, there isn't. Right, that's come quick. I think I ordered this Thursday and it's Saturday now. This is a cable for the Atari ST, so I can use composite to see whether or not the if it's the RF signal that's knackered. I could use that, a monitor signal instead, but a little bit better quality, not be much, but that's good. That's part of the finally rebuild the Atari ST, because it does actually work, but that's going to be an ongoing project. So the composite cable for that, and this came from Amazon. Right. Let's have a look. You pull with a dot, you open her up, throw that in the bin, and come on, out you come. This is for all you trekkers out there, trekkies, checkboards or whatever else. It's the new Ships of the Line calendar. It's just been released today, so you'll know what the date is. So what I'm going to do is, I'm a bit confused actually, because these are obviously the pictures inside it. Can't see it properly too many lights. But there's another calendar on eBay. I mean, I bought this for £8.50, I think it were. It's selling now for £10. I bought this in July, so they honoured the price, even though it went up. There's a different calendar to this as well. So, I don't know. It's definitely a Ships of the Line calendar, the official one. Unless they're doing a second unofficial one, so, I don't know. But that's the end of the mailbag. So what I'm gonna do with these, I've got the full set of these from I think 2003. I'm gonna go through a series with you, and we'll have a look at all these together, because there's some amazing artwork in these. It's all nothing's from the series, but it's inspired by the series. I mean, when did the Enterprise D ever? I don't know if that's Reliant, but it isn't. Yeah. When did Enterprise D ever see 3 Borg ships? Okay, fine, but it's all, yeah. So, yeah, that's the end of the unboxing video. Well, thanks for watching. Follow me on social media. If you want to donate something, please get in touch and I'll give my address and you can send something down. If not, if you want to just donate on Patreon, then I can keep buying all this crap. Then thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.